Hey, so this is a quick video on how I use graphs and use them on different tabs. I like to actually copy and paste a chart and once it's fully formatted how I want it, and then put it into other tabs. So this one, let's say we go ahead and change the colors how we want. So I'm going to pick something drastic so that we can see the difference here. And maybe green. Whoops. Just going to go back here. There we go. I want to make sure I have all the pink ones selected so I don't just change one individually. And I'm going to change that to green. And any other formatting that you want done with this, say you're removing the lines or anything else. So if I go into the chart data, customize the grid lines, like let's say I take the grid lines off, and then I'm going to, once this is done, I'm going to copy the chart and I'm going to go to the tab that I want to put it in and paste it in. So it's just overlapping here, so I can move it around. And now you're going to have to make sure that it's linked to this tab specifically, the January tab. So what you can do is check the existing chart, and it's got that data range there. So I can copy that, then come into the newly colored chart, click Edit Chart, and I can paste it in here. The other thing I can do is, because I pasted it over into January, it's now going to have February written in front of all of these. And so if I actually just delete the February part, I don't have to put January because we're in the January tab. And there we go. And so then I can, position it over this one. I'm going to delete the old one and then put it into place there.